Dear student, good morning. This is Shailesh Kumar and today we will learn the various laws of exponent. Before going to these laws, we will have to observe some pattern that how the exponent works. So let's start. You know the exponent. I will write on any two exponent with the same base. Just like I write 2 power 3 and 2 to the power 4. Now these are two exponent and the similarity between these two exponent is this, that the bases in the both exponents are same. So what will happen if we have to multiply these both? So if I going to multiply, then what are the ways for me to solve this? First of all, my first method and simple method is I will write it 3 times and in the multiplication, and I will write this about 4 times in the form of multiplication. Now here their answer will be multiplied. Now 2 and multiplied, then it is 8 and it is 16. Now 16 multiply 8, that is 128. This is the way that we can find the answer of these two exponents having the same base. Now you will see the second way. 2 cube and 4 cube. Students, you will see here that 2 cube is written 2 times, 3 times, and 4 cube is written 2 to the power 4, that is written 4 times. And all these are going to multiplied, and these are to be multiplied. So here you are viewing that 2 is in the multiplication form. How many times? Here it is 3 times and here it is 4 times. So it can be written as 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write it 2 power sign. 2 to the power 7. Here now when we see the question and go to the answer, then here we see 2 and 2. The bases are same but the powers are different and they are multiplied. It means when they are going to multiplied, then what happen? We add the power. We can write it like this. That is 2 to the power 7. Let's take another example for the a fractional type rational number. I take this mine 7 by 9 square and 7 by 9 cube. Now its answer will be 7 by 9 multiply 7 by 9. As per its power, I will multiply this twice and here, and I will multiply this 7 by 9 how many times? Thrice. So 7 sevens are 49, 9 nines are 81. 7 multiply 7, that is 49, and 49 multiply 7, that is 343. 9 nines are 81, and 81 the 9, 729. Now we have to multiply 49 and 81 into 729. When I multiply this, 343 with 49 and 729 with 81. Now I will have to find the answer. On multiplying, I got these answer. 49 multiply 343, that is 168 and 07, and this is 59,049. This is my answer. Now I will opt the second pattern. 7 by 9. I will write the sum again. 7 by 9 power 2 and 7 by 9 to the power 3. Now I am going to expand this. Here 7 by 9, 7 by 9 twice, and here 7 by 9, 7 by 9, 7 by 9 thrice. So what is the conclusion? That 7 by 9, 7 by 9 and 7 by 9, 7 by 9 is going to multiply how many times? 5 times. So I can write 7 by 9 to the power 5. So this was a question and this is the answer. Now you will ask that sir, what is the answer for this? And here we need not to multiply again and again 7, 7, 7. You will see 7 and 7 multiply 49, and here again 7, 7, 7 we are going to multiply 343. So if we multiply, listen, 7 multiply 7 49, and again by 7 then 343, then by multiply 7 and multiply that answer with 7, then we will get the same answer. So there is no confusion about the answer, but is the question how to represent the multiplication of the same base exponential form in a reduced size. That reduced size is this. So we can deduce the result here, that if I write 2 cube multiply 2 power 4, then its answer will be, that is 2 power 7. And if the number is of this type but having the same base, 7 by 9 power 2 and 7 by 9 power 3, then I will write 7 by 9 power 2 plus 3, that is 7 by 9 power 5. So we can observe the pattern that if the bases are same of the exponent in the multiplication of exponent, then we can add the powers. Clear? Here 2 cube multiply 2 4, that is 3 plus 4 equal to 7. This result may be extended to some other forms also. Just like if we are going to multiply it several times, just like the number is 4, here 4 power 3, 4 power 2 and 4 power 5, then what will be the answer? Then answer will be 4 power 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is 3 plus 2 plus 5. It means 3 plus 2 5 plus 5 10. So this is the answer. Now we learn the first rule of the exponent that may be categorized under the laws of exponent. Okay, thank you.